This is how to get your application accepted in a competitive rental market.
Hi, my name's Aaron and I'm a property manager at Xynergy Realty. I'm here today to give you some tips on how to make your application stand out.
Firstly, your tenancy history. We need to know where you lived in the past, and we need a contact detail for the landlord or property manager so we can be sure that you're a good tenant. One of the most important documents when it comes to your history is your tenancy ledger. If you can provide a tenancy ledger from each of your past properties, we can see that you paid on time and you've been a responsible tenant. You can reach out to your previous property manager or landlord for a copy of this. Next, you're going to want to make sure that all your documents are in order. We're going to need some form of identification, a proof of bank balance, and a proof of income. Having all of these documents prepared beforehand and included in your application puts you ahead of other applicants because we don't have to chase you up for them. It's important to be responsive and available during the application process. If a property manager reaches out to you, needing an additional document or asking about your application, the sooner you respond, the better. This shows that you're responsible and you're really keen.
Last but not least, be open and transparent. Avoid overestimating your income or your rental history, as it can be seen as a red flag. Instead, be honest about issues up front, because it shows that you're a reliable and trustworthy person.
Overall, by being prepared, responsive and honest, you can help make your application stand out. Good luck in these competitive times.